Yes, sir. And the baluster work this will be the happen at the top here. Then spaces are where in the in between. Now pillar and short pillar and for the for whole the one and the together. I for the in space and the. For the baluster now in non complete, they will call non complete. Adjust then space and the normal now. For give short pillar them for complete them. The pillar for be something similar to waiting there so. But we'll go for do them in a better way than how it is so. Just the one so then one perfect. So this are the space this way. We've been left up here. Side the roof go there. Just a small area no more. Don't you forget the roof. Very small area. Like how you say a quarter of the place. So now the half area this way get for roof. These are the position of the tank. How the tank go for the. So we claim the stairs now. And the tank area, and possibly in this area we'll go for put the toilet in. Go for there. Toilet and go there. Somebody want to eat himself and come around this area. These are the step area. Wow. These are the sitting room area, this one. For the done for remove the stick that we've been there. And the ceiling is really high. It's not the steps there. For the place look dark, rain won't come. So maybe the pictures are not really clear. Make you get a better view of them. For the next canal come, we're going to clear all the stuff there. You will see get a better view of her.